All right, guys, Hulk is still here, and there's some bad news with it. Let's talk about it. What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all longer spirits. Well, the Shelby is no longer here. That's right. We're waiting to get it delivered to our winner of our giveaway. Chris, we're so excited for you. We're so happy for you. We're going to look forward to that delivery video. And our buddy Henry, who won our Stealth Mamba. We don't have any Mustangs left. Where are they all at? That's where we have the Mamba. We have the Cloud Mamba. But where's the Hulk? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Got some not so good news from the body shop. They found something more. They found some more damage. It's going to take longer, but I need your help. Let's head over to the body shop and let's check out exactly what's going on with the Hulk. All right, guys, some little bit of a bad news about Hulk is that it might take a little bit longer because my advisor here, Joe, can you explain to us what's going on, what the delay is, and what this one small piece we're missing?
So the supercharger, your cooler, the intercooler is damaged. It's on back order. We just got an ETA of October 16th.
Gotcha.
That's the tentative due date right now.
All right, so you guys can see how it's bent here, and we're playing with fire here because this intercooler, you know, obviously it's all tucked down here, and we need cooling, obviously. So the car is done, basically. We're just waiting for this part. They did have one come in, and it was damaged. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the link in description of this part number. If you have it or know how to get it, that'd really be awesome. But yeah, unfortunately, it looks like Hulk's gonna be here a little bit longer than we'd hope because that small little thing, because just to show you again, you see how the fin is bent, and when they push this forward, it could, you know.
Yeah, you know, you're gonna jeopardize stress cracks, and if that blows, if you're racing this car and that goes, you don't want to jeopardize the supercharger overheating.
Yeah, this is a better angle. See how this is? It's together, but see how this is already stressed here. So once this goes, and I actually had the funny story was I had a 11 millimeter bolt went through my old radiator, my other Mustang, so I know very familiar how important and fragile these are. So, but yep, and can we look at the paint job you guys did so far too one more time? Yeah, just to show you what. So, not the greatest news, but you know we want to get this done right. So it looks like probably another month. And the sad thing is it could go in back order again. We don't know, but that's why I'm doing this video too to thank you, sir, to see if anybody has this part available somewhere. I know it's a new car, so but we're waiting. But here are the parts for. This is the brand new hood. Everything's in but the intercooler. That small little.
I mean, if there's a clip or something we need, we ain't gonna know until we assemble it.
Yeah.
I know we have everything here. We're waiting on the intercooler.
So brand new hood, of course. Brand new GT500 bumper, all sprayed. That's my old stuff I'm taking, but just waiting on that part. So if anybody knows or can get access to that sooner, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram and my DMs, and we'll try to get this car back sooner. But we want to do this right, because you know I could take the risk, but like you said,
you're signing off on it.
Yeah, exactly, and I don't want to wait this long. Well, I appreciate Joe. Like I said, I'll do a little more. We'll walk around the car and then we'll wrap it up.
We'll cut the check.
I have a direct number to Ford Performance, so we're gonna try to get this done. And like Joe was saying, they're not trying to hold. They need to get the car out of here too. So. All right, guys, these are the part numbers we need. If you have any, you know, the top one, KR37 805B is what we need to get Hulk back in action. So it'd really be awesome if anybody has a hookup. So again, hit me up. Joe's trying his best, so I appreciate him, and we're trying to get this car back for the channel. So this is what's holding us up. So we need this here to be replaced. One came in, it was damaged somehow in shipping. So this darn deer is killing me. So yeah, as you can see, we need that part number to continue to hopefully get Hulk back as soon as possible. So link down below. If you have that little intercooler, I actually emailed Ford Performance. They're looking at it too, but the way it works is what happens is the insurance company works with the body shop, and the body shop only works at one local dealer. I know parts are in back order. It's 2020, so you know, beggars can't be choosers kind of thing, but really would like to get the Hulk back. Also, you're probably wondering, I noticed there's no Raptor. That's right. So we're gonna head over. I'll show you what happened. We did some mods to the Raptor, and the Raptor's actually is gonna be gone for a few weeks. And I'll tell you why. So we are here at Uprise Off-Road for what? That's right, it's time for the Raptor to get some mods. We're so excited. We got a chase rack, we got off-road lights. We're so excited. We're gonna have them installed, show you guys before and after. You guys can see what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a nice chase rack. So that chase rack's gonna have an extra set of tires in the back. That's gonna look pretty dope. And I just realized I forgot the tires. Let me go back. Okay, well, I forgot the tires that we're gonna put on there. So let's go get them out of the garage now. Big old tires, man. If you want some Halloween decorations, or decorations in general, I got a store, an Amazon store. Link in the description. I love my day. My day's a great day. My days are great days. All right, let's go. Introduce you guys to the head guy here, the head honcho. This is Fred, the owner operator of Uprise Off-Road. Dude, appreciate it. I'm excited. I told my people already that I'm a total novice when it comes to like truck mods, lifting them. Talk about what you do, what your shop is, all that good stuff.
So we've been open here for 2.5 years. We build anything from regular old leveling kits all the way to full-blown SEMA builds.
Yeah, and we were brainstorming what to do with the Raptor here. Got the chase rack, gonna do the cube lights, and that was the idea for today.
Yeah, right now we're gonna put some rigid pods in the fog lights. That way it fills in that empty space. Do the chase rack on the back with some reverse lights built into that, and then you see what else cool we can figure out to do with this.
Guys, if you have a lifted, if you're in the truck game, come over here to Uprise. I'll put link in description. Very nice. So, and what's cool about this is actually gonna wire to the factory auxiliary switches overhead, which I love, but that looks good. I was actually looking at that too.
What's that?
The F-250 diesel.
I love it. I just sold my wheels off of it last week, so I've been driving around in a grandpa truck I sent for the last week. So.
Oh no, I love this, dude. Listen, if you guys recall, we were looking at the Raptor and the F-250, but oh, this isn't good for me. Oh, that looks good. Let me just focus this. Yeah, that's all right. I like that look.
Yeah, not so grandpa there.
That's a good look. Okay, oh wow, I'm officially jealous. The Raptor does not have this, guys. This has massaging seats. I actually said that. I was like, this is because I had a 10-hour road trip to Indianapolis, and I was like, you know, it'd be great is massaging seats. And this is.
It literally was like one of the things I saw. Only is in like a Platinum or King Ranch, some of the higher end versions. But when I got it, I was like, I need that, and I want the panoramic sunroof, which is that too.
Yes. I think this alone is gonna make me get it. It's gonna make me get this. All right, dude. I appreciate the ride back. Hit me up when we're ready to go. We'll see the finishing touches. Thank you, guys. We are back at Uprise. We're gonna find out how the Raptor came out. We're super excited. We're gonna find out what Fred and his team did. That is just the process. This is just the beginning. We're gonna keep modding it to the point where it looks pretty cool. So without further ado, let's head inside. Let's find out what they did.
Come on, man.
What's up, sir? How's the Raptor?
All finished, ready to rip.
All right, guys, we're here at Uprise. The Raptor's finished. I'm so excited to present to you. My buddy Fred here at Uprise killed it. Got something to show you guys, something unique. Let's check it out. Raptor is at custom coatings right now. It's getting a wrap. Raptor is getting wrapped. So lots of stuff to show you guys. We're so excited. And again, just also, thank you all again who came to our first ever subscribers giveaway meet at Gateway Classic Cars in Philadelphia. You guys were great. You did social distancing. You masked when you could. We had a great time. Congrats to our winners. Thanks to everyone who came. People came from Minnesota, Detroit. So nice to meet you and talk to you and to see the face behind the likes, the subscribes, and the comments. To those who entered and did not win, sorry this wasn't the outcome you're hoping for. But, you know, hopefully you enjoy the merch, and the stuff you did get is going to help us to grow this business and get cooler cars, to do these opportunities besides cars, do more things with more contests, more opportunities. So thanks so much for the support. It was awesome. We're going to keep growing, keep getting better. Thank you to the staff. You guys, if you watched the live, you met some of our staff, and Liz and Nicole, and of course you guys saw Tunnel Chaser. So it was really good, and I'm just humbled. And that's a little update what's going on. We got that 8-second pass coming from Mamba. Stay tuned. Appreciate your support. Like and subscribe, because you know it never ends. Peace.